Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Aloha app with good settings. Then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about Aloha app and you will click. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store. We search about Aloha private browser VPN. If you find update in this blue sign, then we'll update your app. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.